everyone, today we are going to show you the easy way to prepare Monti 7in1 composite flour. And I am with Diane.
Hello, I'm Janet.
Okay, thank you so much. And before we continue, I'm going to show you the easy way to prepare this Biofortified based Monti 7in1 composite flour. So this Monti 7in1 composite flour is made by pre-cooked maize, soybeans, wheat, rice, groundnuts, sugar, and high iron bean. That is easy and recommended to those pregnant women, a child under 5 years, and those have the issues of iron deficiency. So let me continue with the preparation. 1 cup of Biofortified Monti 7in1 composite flour. So I'm going to pour 1 cup of the flour. This is my favorite according to its color and the smell. Maybe you can taste the smell. How about the color? Okay. We are going to use 1 cup. And there is more Monti, but for that I used to choose this Monti 7in1 composite. We are going to pour those 1 cup of flour into those 4 cups of cold water and stir it until it is mixed in. We have the same. Very, very tasty. Low heat and continue stir until it's continue stirring until it's boiled. As you see, our porridge is very close to be served. And Diane, how about it's like smell?
Yeah, it smells very well.
Yeah. How about the color? The color of the porridge?
Very good.
Okay. Yum. Our porridge is ready to be served. As you see, it was boiled. As of now, we are going to serve our porridge. As you see, it has good color, very good smell, and you don't need sugar because our flour is made with a sugar. Thank you so much. And remember that we use 4 cups of water and 1 cup of Monti 7in1 composite flour.
How's porridge?
Porridge is good.
Is it delicious?
Yes.
Can you drink again? What's the name of the porridge?
Monty.
Wow. Again?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.